and good evening wherever you are or whatever time you are watching this video. It's me, Rosel, and welcome back to my channel. So for today, vlog tayo. So I will vlog about what I eat in a day since some people have been asking me, ano ba yung diet ko? Paano ako pumayat? So background lang about this video. Today is June 27, 2020 and I weighed myself earlier 55.8 kilograms or approximately 56 kilograms. So I started my weight loss journey in November 2019. So I was at 67 kilograms. Pero yung biggest weight ko is at 72.5 way back in November 2018. So November 2018, 72.5 ako. So nag-lose ako ng 5 kilos up to November, more on diet or depriving myself sometimes, pero not all the time. And November 2019 lang talaga ako nagseryoso ng diet, ng exercise, ng sleep, rest, total lifestyle change siya talaga. So if you're going to ask me about what's my diet or exercise to lose weight ng 11 kilograms, hindi pa po itong video na to. Right now, I'm at 56 kilograms for the past month of June. So, I stopped exercising muna kasi I'm losing too much weight for my own good. So, ang effect niya sa akin, naglulose yung skin. So, ayoko nung ganong itsura ng pagpayat. So, 56 kilograms ako now for the past month. And my target weight is around 53 kilograms. So, I still have 3 kilograms to go. So, this is what I eat in a day to maintain my weight of 56 kilograms for the past month. So, for breakfast, ang normal kong kinakain, boring siya, promise, is coffee and plain oatmeal. Wala na akong coffee, Nescafe Gold. Tapos, 3 teaspoons ng Coffee Mate. Tsaka, wait. Brown sugar. Kasi, mahilig ako sa matamis na kape. And, may tumatawag. Post ko lang, ha? Ayun. So, kape na may 3 teaspoons brown sugar tsaka 3 teaspoons ng Coffee Mate. Napaka-healthy, no? Eh, ngayon lang naman. I mean, hindi ko kaya ng black coffee. Nako. Kasi ang key, for me, to diet, or para ma-sustain mo yung weight loss mo, hindi mo dapat dinedeprive yung sarili mo dun sa mga gusto mo. Ito, non-negotiable ko yung coffee with cream and sugar and plain oatmeal. As in plain oatmeal. Oatmeal. Yan. Mga tatlong ganito. Ganyan. Tatlong ganyan. So, mamaya, lulutuin ko muna. Luluto muna ako tsaka magtitimpla ng kape. Tapos papakita ko sa inyo, ha? Hello, ayun. So, tapos na yung breakfast. 5 minutes siya. Pero actually, hindi siya 5 minutes kasi nag-init pa ako ng tubig. Pero, ang hack doon is bago ka maghilamos at mag-toothbrush, initin mo na yung tubig para after you have done that, ready na yung mainit na tubig at mag-prepare ka na ng breakfast mo. In 5 minutes, tapos na siya. So, here's my breakfast. Wait. So, ayan po siya, yung plain oatmeal at yung kape. Diba, sabi ko sa inyo, boring, parang charot. So, kinakain ko siya sabay, oatmeal and then coffee. Itong coffee na to, creamy yan. 3 teaspoon ba naman ng Coffee Mate? O, diba? So, sabay ko silang kinakain para subo, inom, para may kalasa siya. Pero ngayon, kaya ko na itong kainin kahit hindi walang kape. Minsan, ayun. So, that's for breakfast and see you later. So, guys, I'm out. I'm heading to the mall for my lunch. See you in a little while. Guys, now we're here inside the mall. Kain tayo sa Smoothies. Hello. Kumusta?
Ay, may vlog ka, ma'am.
Oo. Dine-in ako.
Paano mo tayo, ma'am?
Hello. Dine-in tayo. Wala naman tao kasi. So, guys, I just ordered baked salmon and Coke. Pasaway. Ganun ba kayo? Ako kasi, pag malapit na yung sahod, tapos may pera pa, tinitreat ko yung sarili ko. Ayun, wala kasi silang service water dito. Bawal. So, Coke na lang ko. Di ba? Nagko-Coke ako pasaway. Pero paminsan-minsan, cheat meal natin. So, here's my food na baked salmon with fried rice. Diba? Close kasi kami ng kuya. Kakain na ako. Masarap ko lang ito. I'm so excited. Naging mo. It's dinner time! And I bought something from 7-Eleven, corn. And I will drink Vitamilk. This is my dinner. Initin ko lang wait. So here's my dinner. Yung isang basa ng Vitamilk, double choco shake at corn. Masaya na ako dyan, busog na ako dyan. So, pag walang corn, ang kinakain ko ay Nova. Ayan. Medyo mainit pa yung corn eh. Ang bango, sarap. Medyo mahal siya. Kaso, ang tagal-tagal naman. Pwede naman akong bumili ng corn sa palengke tapos lulutuin ko. Pero bago ko maluto yun, ang tagal-tagal. I'm all about convenience. Lagi ako nagmamadali. Tsaka, lahat ng mais doon, walang hindi matamis. Ganito yung kinakain ko kasi mapapagod ka na sa kakanguya. Diba? Mamaya pagod ka na. Kaya parang kumain ka na din ng madami. Kasi eto, mataas naman yung calories nito and it helps sa muscle growth. Ayan. So, there you have it, guys. This is what I usually eat in a day. Except for lunch kanina kasi cheat meal yun eh. Tsaka mahal. I don't drink soft drinks often. Parang ano lang. Mga once every 2 weeks. Nung nabawasan na yung weight ko. Pero dati talaga, hindi. Basta, yun. I-share ko din yun talaga kung ano yung diet ko nun. Pero right now, this is what I eat to maintain my weight for the past month of June. And yung lunch, pwedeng rice and kahit anong ulam. Or pwedeng rice, tapos tocino, rice, tapos adobo, rice, tapos spam, rice, tapos corned beef, rice, tapos hotdog, rice, tapos bangus. Ganyan. Basta dun ako sa lunch nagra-rice. So, I hope may natutunan kayo. May natutunan ba? Kumain lang ako. See you next time. Bye! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Meet Rosel. See you soon!